Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, my makeup is all done. I had to do like a quick little beat for this video because today, you guys, this video is not about makeup. This is a very highly requested video. I've never done a video like this on my channel. You guys have been asking, requesting on Instagram. You guys have been asking what is going on with the wigs? How do you get the wigs? Where do you get the wigs from? What is the tea behind the wigs? And you guys, I've been very skeptical because not only like I don't want to give you guys like my secret and I don't want to give you guys like where I go, but you guys, I'm gonna let you guys know how to do a wig today. Like, I feel like we're gonna have this A and B conversation and we're gonna talk about wigs. So before we start about wigs, you guys, make sure you guys are subscribing to my channel. Make sure you guys check out my channel every single week because I do have 2 videos out a week. I never miss a mark. Here and there I kind of do, but I always talk about beauty. I talk about wigs. I mean, now I'm gonna start talking about wigs, tea, I mean, whatever, you know, it's an A-B conversation and I would love to see you guys every single week. So right now, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Also, this video is sponsored by Rose Beauty Wigs. You guys can check out Rose Beauty Wigs on Instagram. Everything will be linked down below in this bio. Make sure you guys check them out because they are literally, y'all, I don't mess with a lot of wig companies. There's very little wig companies that I work with, you know what I mean? And Rose Beauty Wigs has been literally my favorite wig company I work with. They're just so amazing, so sweet. They respond so fast and they're just amazing people. And I'm just so excited to have them on my team and they literally slay my wigs. Like, I literally am so obsessed with their wigs. So make sure you guys check out Rose Beauty Wigs on Instagram and their website and get your guys' wig ASAP. Y'all don't understand, like, I really don't tell people where I get my wigs because like I feel like everyone's gonna start getting my wigs. Alright you guys, so as you guys know, this is the iconic colorful wig that they customized for me. I've only worn this baby a few times and it's literally one of my favorite, actually the only colorful wig I ever owned. And when I was like, you know what, I really want a color wig, I just need color. So I was like, you know what, let's get all the colors. So this is the full wig here, you guys. I'm so obsessed with the coloration and I wanted to show you guys this one because a lot of people have been asking where I got this one and oh my god, the color is so nice, like where'd you get it? And I just have been ignoring all the comments and things like that. So for now, you guys, it's Rose Beauty Wigs. So they're just absolutely amazing people and I just cannot wait to show you guys this one. Rose Beauty Wigs does carry luxury wigs, $500 and up, which by the way, I do say $500 is the average price. Now, let me tell you something, $500 is expensive. But I always say, here's the thing, I'm gonna keep it one-on-one with you guys. I have spent money on $100 wigs, $50 wigs, $1,000 wigs. Let me tell you something, I truly think $500 is a very average affordable price. And you know, especially when it comes to human wigs, I think when it comes to human wigs, you really want to invest, you know what I mean? Like, you don't really want to go so cheap. And let me tell you why. The reason why you don't want to go so cheap is because the hair quality is really bad. And I'm talking about really bad. So let's say, you know, if you're someone coming up, a queen or someone that wants a human wig, you want to start off with a good wig because that way you don't have to buy another one. You don't have to buy one really soon. You can really wear them to the point where like a year, you know what I mean? So, and honestly, if you guys take care of it like I do, I wash my hair once a week, your wigs will last forever. And I'm just gonna tell you that. I'm gonna keep it so honest with you guys. I'm not trying to sit here and make money off of wigs while I'm selling them. I'm just letting you know because from personal reference and personal situations and stories, I used to spend money like $200 wigs and I would hate them. I really hated them. They're so thin, they weren't even long, and a lot of the bundles are the hair bundles where they come like this. I don't have bundles to show you guys, but they're bundles, like they're bundles. And when a wig, for example, if a wig is like $200 and they say it's 30 inches, the bundles are thicker at like the root and it's 30 inches, but as it gets longer, it's thinning out. So that's kind of like a good example for you guys to really spend money on wigs that are really, you know, affordable, but still you want to kind of pay something. So I truly think Rose Beauty Wigs is one of my favorite wig companies because their bundles and their hair is just full, it's thick, and it's just amazing. So you guys, I think $500 plus luxury wigs is absolutely stunning. Like, that's a stunning fucking price. All right, you guys, so this is the full unboxing from Rose Beauty Wigs as it does arrive to your front door just like so. I'm obsessed with the packaging. I mean, it's black, Rose Beauty Wigs to the point. I mean, honestly, work. I live for that. And when you guys purchase a wig, it does come with a wig cap, a silk band, and then also their iconic little cute mink lashes, just to kind of give you the full beat. So I love the fact that they do add in other pieces, and we're gonna see that in here right now, you guys. You guys can check out their website. There's a section called Build a Wig, and that's where you guys can conversate and really customize the most beautiful wig you're ever going to own. So you guys, shut me up. I'm so excited because the one in here right now is 28 inches. It's a reverse ombre, Indian straight, 20-inch hair, and I'm like, oh god, I'm so excited. Okay, so guys, so opening it up right now, this is the box. We open it up. On top here is the mink lashes. I'm actually gonna set this down because it's a little too heavy. So inside, you guys, they do give you this cute little mink lash moment, which, by the way, hi lash, full look, getting ready for glam. And then we also do have these two pieces in here, you guys. So what I do love about these, you guys, is one, you want to make sure, let's say if you're gonna lay down your wig, you're gonna do some baby hairs or something, you really want to make sure this up front is flat as possible. So I love the company that does give you the silk wrap, because silk wraps honestly are really hard to find unless you want to look for it. But I love the fact that they do prep you and give you all the pieces that you need. So silk wraps, you guys, are basically like this, and you basically can use them to kind of really lay down edges. You can lay down the wig, and as you lay it down, you can get ready and get into glam. And another piece here is wig caps. So inside, they do prep you and give you a full blank wig cap. Now, if this is not your color, that's perfect, and it's light because you can definitely adjust your colors with the bronzer you use, the contour you use, foundation, whatever you guys use, which I'm gonna do today because obviously, like, this is definitely not my skin color. Love that. Now let's get to the wig, you guys. I'm so excited. So inside, this is the full wig right here. It does come in a head net. I mean, honestly, I'm so excited, but you guys can keep the head net, but I usually don't because I have wig mannequins. So if you guys do have wig mannequin heads, those do come in handy. So are you guys ready for my Indian straight 20-inch reverse ombre full lace? Okay, you guys, pulling it out. Yes! Oh my gosh, you guys, look how fucking gorgeous this is. Look at this! I'm so excited. Literally, you guys, I've been asking for a wig color like this forever. It's just, I'm so obsessed with it. Like, literally so obsessed. I've been wanting a reverse ombre forever. And literally, I just literally explained what I wanted, and they were just so amazing, and they just knew what I wanted. So I'm just so excited. So let's go ahead and show underneath. I always like to show underneath. So this is the wig underneath, and I love the fact that they do sew a custom wig band. So basically what these wig straps do, you guys, is it really does tighten up to your head. So you can request for this unless you guys don't want one, but I do need this because in shows I do flip my hair a lot, I do move around a lot, and honestly, for me, you guys, once you guys use these, I personally don't really need to glue my wig down. Like, I never really glue them down, so it does really help you from just not using glue, got2b glue, and wig glue to kind of keep it down. Like, if you really want something temporary for the day, these are just amazing. Like, but you can also glue your wig down with the actual wig strap. So before we start, these are the 3 products that I'll be using. So I'm obsessed with the got2b glued sparkling glue, spiking glue, I'm sorry. And then this is obviously the got2b blasting freeze spray. So you guys, I get these at Target, Walmart, online, Amazon. You can get this anywhere. I feel like got2b, like, honestly, if you wear wigs, we definitely are your sponsors. But I go through these like crazy. Like, I literally buy like 5 of each when I can, because I've been in Targets where they're all sold out. So, and then also the last one, at least, you'll need a comb. I do love this specific comb. You guys have seen these before. I use this part to lay down the edges, and then also I love the bristles and the teeth because it does kind of really just, you know, you can comb through without making it all like frizzy. So right now, what you guys want to do is we want to cut off the lace. So right here, I'm gonna cut off the lace kind of on camera, maybe. I don't know if I can do it on camera, but because I have to like literally like let it sit down. All right, first, you guys, what I want to do is take a little bit of got2b glue, and I only take a little bit, and I usually go like that much. Like, I really try not to like use so much glue because this glue is very strong. So what I totally forgot to do this. Let me do this first. So before you start, you guys, when you guys have the wig cap on, oh my god, I totally fucking forgot. What the heck? I always like to use the most lightest wig cap or get something a little light. I know these wig caps, they do come in different multicolors. I always like to get it like a little skin lighter than what I am because it does give you the freedom to really bronze it, to really make it your natural color. Okay, so what I usually do is I take a brush, I take a bronzer, and I just kind of go in. And what I do is I kind of just really bronze it. See, so it's kind of like disappearing a little bit, especially these edges, you guys, the edge of the wig cap, because it is way lighter than my skin tone. What this does, it just really starts to kind of like create as if like you are bald. There really is no right or wrong way to do this. I would just say use the bronzer or contour color. Because I do drag and because I contour the shit out of my face, I go really dark on my contour. As you can see here, it's very dark. That's just the way I do it. But you guys can definitely use like your own foundation color, your skin tone color, like whatever you guys want. I know some people use like hair dye, like hair dye and really customize it that way. I don't really think it's necessary, but like I said, whatever floats your boat won't sink mine. So I go like that. Pretty much that's kind of like it. Okay, so now what you guys can do is pulling out the glue. I like to kind of start in the middle and I just really go like that. Like I don't really, I mean, there is no wrong way. I feel like the only wrong way to do this is if you put too much. I always try to use the most less glue that I can. Like I hate dealing with a lot of glue, and that way like when you guys are taking off your wig, you don't have to like wash it so much, because one of my biggest things that I hate fucking doing, you guys, is washing a lace. Like if I can hire someone to wash my lace, I will pay you top dollar. So now what you guys want to do is put this on and spray it. Just kind of spray like a little bit like that. It does kind of really just kind of like make sure it stays on. Now it is time to put on the wig. I do not have a blow dryer because if I plug a blow dryer in my studio, all my lights will go out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the wig on. I'm gonna show you guys how I kind of sit it. I'm gonna press it and then I'm gonna cut the lace. I'm gonna go blow dry and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna cut the lace. Okay, so I'm so excited. Look how beautiful it is. Okay, so oh my god, this is the first time. Rose Beauty Wigs. As you guys can see here, the lace. Oh my god, I totally forgot another fucking step. So same thing you guys did with the freaking bronzer. This is why y'all love me. You know what I mean? Like this is why y'all love me. Miss Kimora Blac. I like to bronze a little bit right here. Just to say, it's a quick little step. It's a quick little step, girl. Like it is really not that hard. It's easy. Okay, so what that does, it does create like this, like same skin tone. Just the bronze. Okay. This is why y'all love me, girl. This is why my tutorials are fucking different from everybody else, because everybody tries to be all perfect and shit, and I'm like, girl, I'm keeping on. I'm keeping 100. Putting on the wig, okay? Oh, I love it. You want to put it like a little bit over the wig cap, okay? Like a little bit, girl. Like you don't need to go nuts. Oh, girl, look at that, and I didn't even pluck it, and it literally looks so fucking like sickening. Like I cannot. So that's what you want to do. If it ruins your makeup, whatever, bitch. That's like how I would wear it. Like I wouldn't wear it any higher or back because of my hairline. So I'm just gonna take a clip and I'm just gonna clip all this back. Okay, so that's kind of like what I would do. And you guys, when you guys get these wigs, like this is the hairline. Like I don't need to pluck them. Now, when it comes to doing this part, y'all need to really like pay attention, because you do not want to cut hair and you just do not want to like fuck it up, because if you fuck it up, oh bitch, I don't know what to tell you. All I know is just don't fuck it up. That's all I'm gonna tell you. So I always like to hairspray a little bit of the baby hairs back, because you don't want to cut the baby hair. You know what I mean? Like you don't want to cut the baby hairs because this ain't growing out of your scalp. This is just, you know, temporary. And see, I'm gonna have to customize it because my ear is right here. So we're gonna have to customize this a lot. Well, not a lot, but right here, because my ears go here. So we're gonna cut all this off. I'm sad. I'm sad. All right, guys. So now what we're gonna do is that we're gonna cut the lace, and I already can feel it like not moving. So what I do, you guys, first is I cut in the middle. Now, you guys can use like one of these like eyebrow knives. You guys can use scissors. I personally like to use scissors because I've used that one before, and I've almost cut my hair off. So if you're like an amazing trooper when it comes to that blade, work. But I like scissors. So taking it. And this is how you customize it, okay? How fucking flawless is that, you guys? All right, guys, so I'm gonna cut my lace and I'll be right back. All right, guys, and voila, a quick little wig installation. Now, I did not glue all over, because usually when I do tape videos and I do beauty videos in my studio, I do give the illusion as if it's like completely glued down. So basically what I'm talking about is that all I really did is really glue down the front, and I just took a little bit of a pick comb or something like really sharp or tiny to kind of really press it down. I really do recommend doing that versus using like a finger. I know we're very tempted to use the finger to kind of press it, but what happens is the finger gets sticky and it just starts to pull hair out, and it's weird. So really taking your time with the pick. You guys can use like something like this, or a lot of people can use a pick comb just like this, and this does kind of, you know, you take it, you kind of like press it down. It does press down the lace. Like I said, you guys, honestly, I have not done the plucking. Rose Beauty wigs, the wigs do come like this, and it's like ready to go. So that being said, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and curl just one little strand to kind of really show you guys like how easy it curls. I'm just like so obsessed with their wig units. Like, I mean, this is Indian straight hair, which by the way is like freaking phenomenal. So if you guys want a custom wig like so, remember they are $500 and up depending on what you guys want. Like I said, I always say, oh, look at this one. Look how pretty that looks. Really do invest in your wigs. Like, don't be afraid of spending it. Just think of it as like an investment. And also, like, I always say, you guys, when it comes to wigs, like, you really want to make, you know, you want like good hair. Like, this is gonna be something that you wear during the day. This is gonna be something that you're gonna have for a long time. So I feel like don't let the price or anything be skeptical and scare you, because I just say, just get one. You know what I mean? And also, if you guys are dyeing hair, like, wigs are so it. Like, I mean, I don't really know anyone that's dyeing hair anymore. I feel like everyone's wearing wigs. And I mean, wigs are just it. Like, it's just quick and easy and just ready to go. So there you guys go. I just curled it. All right, guys. Well, I had so much fun doing this wig tutorial with you guys. I hope you guys got a quick, I hope you guys got like tips and tricks and kind of, you know, a little bit more knowledge when it comes to wigs and installations. I know everyone's installation is a little different. Mine is very quick and go. Remember, you guys, when I'm at a show, I have like 3 wigs ready to go, on, off, and on. So my wig installation are very, very fast and easy and to the point. I know there's a lot of wig installation where a lot of people do like baby hairs and things like that. You guys can definitely check those tutorials out because that's how I learned myself. So at the end of the day, you guys, I'm so team Rose Beauty Wigs. Thank you so much to my friends over there. You guys can check out rosebeautywigs.com. Everything will be linked down below. They're fantastic. They're phenomenal. I love them. And honestly, I cannot wait to get my next wig. So shout out to Rose Beauty Wigs. Thank you so much. I love you. And to everyone out there, my babies, my fans, my friends, I love you. And I will see you guys later this week.